Ballast is always a tricky one, isn't it? And getting the size of ballast that you want can be even worse. And if you've ordered ballast that doesn't quite match up to what you hope for, I'll show you a quick. Hi, welcome back to St Blazey Model World. I'm Roger. Now I'm afraid this video is being filmed late in the evening. The light is fading, so you'll have to excuse the unusual lighting on this. But what we're looking at here is a coffee bean grinder. I bought this about 5 years ago, I think now, from a car boot sale here in the UK, and I paid £2 sterling. What can we do with this? Well, we've put in some of our ballast that it's a little bit oversized. This is the ballast that I bought, and it's described as fine and dark grey. Well, to me, it's neither of those things. So it's time for a bit of shape shifting, and we'll make it a bit smaller. Spoonful or two in the coffee grinder, as much as we need. Lid on, give it a quick blast. It's not difficult, is it? And there we go. The pile on the left is how it came out of the tub. Pile on the right is once it's been through the grinder. I don't mind a little bit of variation in the size and the texture, but of course you could go on really to reducing your ballast to a powder. And just before you're wondering about the hygiene procedures for using a coffee bean grinder to grind up your ballast or any other scenery, I've got to tell you now, this coffee grinder has never seen coffee, and nor will it ever in my ownership. It was purely a cheap method of grinding down ballast and other scenery products. Boy, is it a good one. Hot tip. That's it for this one. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you've learned something. Stay safe. We'll see you next time. Bye now from St Blazey Model World.